Nakagala na naman kami. Ang ingay-ingay na naman ng aking, oh, tingnan mo naman to. Agresibo talaga. Yes, yes, yes. Because too much dog, too much cat. Ang ingay-ingay na naman niya, oy. Basta pag nakagawas. Ha? Oh. Di ami sa gawas. Maglakaw-lakaw ron taming duha. You are hungry? Oh, kaso mo magkauwan nun. Ha? You are hungry? You wanna eat? A baby, oh, look the baby. Hi, baby. You are hungry? You wanna eat some? Ha? Okay.
Mahigiting umupo o magtago sa ilalim ng mga matitibay na mga bagay na yan ang mesa.
Yeah, you are too kati, but I cannot hear you. You are hungry? Okay. Okay. You ate something? You ate something? Okay. No, 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 no. Hold for mama because that is dangerous. You must to hold. Yes. Look at them, oh. Look at them. Look at them, oh. They know how to hold pen. And you? You don't know how to hold or you know? Huh? Huh? Okay. Okay for today's video. Ingat ang lahat. So, dito na naman kami sa Tinapayan. Ha? Which one? One this one? Okay. One this one. Tapos, usaan ni? Okay, 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 okay.
What's that, money?
Ha?
Money?
No, not money. This is water. Yeah, this is water refilling. Unsa na ni siya? Ha? Pandi ko. Tagi ko saan na, be? Oh, duha de duha.